Hey, it's Simon and welcome back to the channel. Today is a goggle unboxing video. For those of you who are familiar with my content, you will know that I love trying out new ski and snowboard goggles. So today I have this box that has been sent from Powster. I do just need to have that as a disclaimer at the start. My views obviously will remain my own, but these have been gifted to me. With that in mind, let's get ourselves into this box. So Powster in general, for those of you who might not have heard of them, I've seen their goggles popping up on YouTube Shorts and TikTok and stuff for quite a while, specifically through a couple of channels, Snowboard Jesus and Half Cab King. I hope I got those right, and I'll link to those down in the description. They do a load of really nice work, but what I've kind of noticed about their channels is these goggles, and they look sick. So the particular model that I've got with me today is called the Asteroid. Let me just get rid of, that should be all of the noise done. Move the knife out of the way, and today's goggles. So first of all, comes in quite a nice box. I'm assuming this just slides out, or am I wrong? Ah, no, okay. So lifts up and over. Nice. And if you can see in here, I've got two packages. So there is a case there, which was bigger, that will have the goggle in. I will have a spare lens in there, and it comes with a really nice case. You've got kind of the instructions, nice Powster sticker, and that is quite a nice presentation box to keep them in. So the goggles do come with obviously the frame, everything, and two lenses. So the spare lenses is there. We'll get onto that in a minute. And in the UK, they retail at £115. Now, that's one of the reasons that I was really interested to get inside these and have a look, because for that £115, getting two lenses is really, really nice, and specifically because they are Zeiss lenses. Now, those of you who are fans of the channel, you would have seen all my stuff with Anon goggles in the past, where they had the Sonar Zeiss lenses, and the same more recently with Outdoor Master and their Sonar Zeiss lenses, which I love. Powster use Spxtra, which is the exact same idea as Oakley's Prism, Smith's Chroma Pop. It is a contrast boosting lens. So wrapped up really nice in here. That case is lovely. So basically you get goggle pouch if you're more of a traditionalist. I'm just going to leave that over there on the side, and a nice hard travel case for your goggles. Obviously that one's not going to go into your pocket, and a bit more plastic. I do wish that brands would get rid of the plastic now. I think we're kind of past that as much as we could be. Hey, I like that strap before I've got the tissue paper off. That's quite a nice colour, that. So blue strap, and moment of truth. Wow, okay. Nice cylindrical lens, and the Powster name on one side and the Powster logo on the other side. That is a nice looking goggle. So in terms of these Powster goggles, specifically the Asteroid, one of the reasons that I wanted to try them, as I already mentioned, £115, two lenses, cylindrical design, and I love that. But £115 kind of brings them into that lower mid-range. Like, we're thinking Anon M4s all the way up there, £200+. Smith IO Mags up there, £200+. And we've had like the Smith Squad Mag on this channel as well, which can retail for like £200. This is, for what seems to be, like, I mean, I've never ridden in them yet, but a well-made goggle for pretty much half of that price. Now, lens-wise, just need to figure this out. It is a magnetic lens. Now, how am I going to do this? Oh, just literally comes off and then back on. That's easy enough. Literally a quick twist of the frame, or in here there's like a little bit where you can grab in a little bit better maybe. There we go. And you pull it away, and that's really strong. Now, these goggles have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 magnets that I can see there. And obviously you've got 10 on the back, so held together with 20 magnets. Did you hear that click? That was really strong. So I've got no qualms based on the other goggles that I have worn that are magnetic lens changes in saying that that will stay on even if you bail. You've got all of the normal stuff. So silicone back strap, stop it slipping off your helmet. It's obviously adjustable using the strap on the back. Triple layer foam. So you've got the soft stuff close to your face, slightly harder, and you've got venting at the top of the goggle. Now, if I just lean in there to show you the venting, you'll see that the venting here is a foam, and one of the things that I would say about when you've got foam in terms of your venting, in terms of durability, it doesn't always work too well. Now, I've had goggles which have got foam at the top for the venting, and they've been absolutely perfect, no problem. And I've also had some that the more that I've used them, especially like if you're wearing a helmet and it rubs against, or you're starting to wipe snow off them, that foam can come away. Now, what a lot of companies have gone to is kind of like a plastic there, which seems a little bit more durable, but I'm happy to give those a go and see what happens. So the lens here is like a lightning blue or electric blue, I think. And did it say on the box? Yeah, it is just over 10% VLT. It says on the box 10 to 16%. Now in here it comes with a spare lens. Now, if everything that I've read about these goggles online is correct, then this should be a orange. Yes, it is. Oh, just flip that out of there. And this is obviously your low light lens. So low light lens there, and that is 53%. So that is for your cloudy whiteout days. Let's just have a look and see what that looks like on the goggle. There we go. Nice. So in terms of the unboxing then, initial impressions are that actually the frame, if I just take this lens out, the frame is well made. It's got some give in it, which is nice. That means it's going to fit nice and comfortably to your face. I think in terms of the actual lenses, no worries in terms of the magnets, and the actual lens change there, that's spot on. It's no problem whatsoever. That's up there with, like I've said, like the Outdoor Master Falcons or the Anon M4 for ease. And love the colorway strap. To be honest, the truth is going to be in trying them, but I think for £115 to have a setup that gives you 2 lenses and 2 cases, and also you obviously get your microfiber bag as well, so you can keep it clean. I actually think that that is something exciting to try. So if you have tried Powster goggles before and you've got anything that you want to tell me before I get these out on snow, drop them down below in the comments. But I think that is going to be a really nice goggle, and you can just see there actually, if I do that properly, the goggles are OTG, so they will fit over your glasses. I don't actually ride with my glasses. I have a goggle insert, but that will fit in there as well. And that's them there. Powster goggles, the Asteroid. Looking forward to getting them on snow. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon with another video.